On the 28th of January 1896, British motorist Walter Arnold became the first person in the world to be charged with speeding in an automobile. Welcome to History Pod. Walter Arnold was the son of William Arnold, who had established an agricultural engineering company in 1844. Based in East Peckham in Kent, the company successfully obtained a licence to build Benz cars in 1895 and later became known as the Arnold Motor Carriage Company. The introduction of mechanically propelled vehicles was a marked contrast to the horse-drawn carriages and steam-powered road locomotives that previously dominated the roads. Nevertheless, they were still subject to the national speed limit introduced in the Locomotives on Highways Act of 1865, which restricted road travel to a leisurely pace of 4 miles per hour in the countryside and 2 miles per hour in urban areas. On January the 28th, 1896, Walter Arnold was driving a German-built Benz automobile through the town of Paddock Wood in Kent. A police officer saw him driving at 8 miles per hour, considerably more than the legal maximum, and gave chase on his bicycle, finally catching up with him after 5 miles. The subsequent legal proceedings triggered a period of transition in the evolution of road transport. As well as the charge for speeding, Arnold faced 3 additional charges of using a locomotive without a horse, having fewer than 3 people in charge of the vehicle, and for not having his name and address on the vehicle. The local magistrates found him guilty on all counts and placed a fine of £4 and 7 shillings, of which 1 shilling plus costs was for speeding. After significant lobbying, a new Locomotives Act was passed later that year and increased the speed limit for light locomotives to 14 miles per hour.